Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Well, today I have a very exciting video for all of you, and that is because Black Friday seems to have started early, and that is because one of DJI's drones are now selling with a 25% discount. In today's video, we're gonna be sharing with you which drone is it, how big the discount is, and of course, where is it that you can buy it. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here and you want to keep up to date with any news regarding any upcoming DJI product, whether it is the Mini 3 or the Inspire 3, you already know this is a place to come for all the latest updates and info. And also we're currently in the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed yet, well, I invite you to go ahead and join Drone Emotion family. So without any much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be quite exciting. So seeing a DJI drone with a discount is quite weird and not easy to pass by. And well, just today I came across a great discount on a DJI drone, which in my opinion is a phenomenal drone, and I had to share with all of you. And what am I even talking about? Well, I am talking about the DJI FPV drone. That is correct. Unfortunately, the Mavic 3 doesn't have any kind of discount yet, and well, it looks like the FPV drone had a big discount. And how big is it? Well, it is a 25% discount, almost a 25% discount, with the original price being $1,300 US. It is now, the new price is now $1,000, so $999. So in my opinion, that is a great deal. Now, where is it that you can buy it? Well, there are different places where you can get your hands on this bad boy. One of them is Amazon, which I really like because you get it basically the next day. Also, you can get it in Adorama as well as Best Buy also, and of course Drone Nerds also has this drone with a discount. So if you want to go ahead and pick one up for yourself, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description down below, or if you don't want to do that, well, you can just type in on the internet DJI FPV drone and go into shopping, and you will see where is that you can buy it with a discount. In my opinion, this is a great deal. And remember guys, that coming across a discount on DJI drones is not that common. So could this be a sign an FPV drone 2 could be coming? Possibly, but I'm still not sure on that. I mean, this is definitely a great drone, a super fun drone, and I know that a lot of you, the price tag of $1,300 was not very appealing, but at 1,000 USD, I think that is a very good deal considering everything you're going to be getting, and you're going to be having a blast with this drone. So I'm also getting a bit tempted on whether or not I should be picking it up. Well, let me know what are your thoughts on this down in the comment section down below. This is everything I have for all of you today, and remember, DJI's Black Friday sale is going to be coming up, and stay tuned for that because it's going to be dropping later this week, so make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.